Hey everyone, it's me Megs and I'm back with another video. This is actually my relax update and I'm really excited to share with you guys the progress that my hair has made. And I want to say thank you guys so much for, being patient with me on this hair journey because as you know, hair journeys take a lot of time and patience and just understanding too. So I want to say thank you guys so much for, being with me on this journey as well. So many of you know I returned back to relaxing my hair back in December 2019, and this is where we are now. I did get my hair cut into a bob back in March of this year. So this is how my hair is doing. My last relax update, I was in the salon, so you guys came with me to the salon to get my hair trimmed, and I cut a bit of hair off. Okay, so my hair had already grew out, but then I cut it some more to kind of like try to maintain this bob. But now, girl, it's grown out again. So now I have like a lob and I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Like, it's really, really cute. I feel like this is the best my hair has ever looked, ever. I'm gonna say ever, like ever, because back in the past when I was relaxed, I would get trims, but I would never maintain my ends and keep my trims up to where it looks nice and full and healthy. So I'm on a different thing right now. Like, I'm not playing around when it comes to my ends and getting trimmed. So I am really liking my hair. I have not gotten a trim just yet, and I'm thinking of doing that within the next week or two, going back to Micah to get a trim. Now, the only thing is this that I don't know if I want to just get like, like a regular little trim, or do I want to cut off more hair to maintain this bob, because the goal eventually is to grow it out, but my goal was to maintain and keep up healthy hair before I start to grow it out, because I want my hair to be in a specific type of health before trying to grow it out. Because when your hair isn't healthy and you're up there trying to grow hair out when you don't need to grow it out just right now, it just don't look cute. So I do not regret cutting my hair into the bob when I did, because I really felt like that was crucial for me in order to get my hair where I want it to be. Like, what I love the most about my hair is that everything is starting to fill in. Okay, and what's really crazy to me is that my hair looks good flat iron. I did flat iron my hair myself, and I did use my new flat iron. I think this, hopefully I'm saying this right, Eep Heat. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I use this flat iron and it's the bomb, y'all. So I am actually about 1 week post relaxer. My hair is a bit flat, but it still has body and movement to it. I tend to like my hair how it looks between the second and third week post mark, because I tend to have more volume and things like that. But I'm really happy with how my hair looks. Now, I will say my overall hair health, it's like really coming together. Like, I could not be happier with how my hair looks right now. It looks so good flat iron, and that's how I know when I'm doing something right, is how well my hair looks flat iron. This is actually the third time that I put on heat on my hair since March. So March heat, and then June I have put heat on my hair, and then yesterday I put heat on my hair, and I'm liking what I'm doing so far. My routine and my regimen has been working really well, and I feel like what's been the most important when it comes to getting my hair back to its health, crucial for me, is deep conditioning, moisturize and sealing, and really focusing on the ends and doing the baggy method. I feel like those three were probably very, very high up on my list as far as the things that I was doing that helped me get my hair, back to where it needs to be, or back on the right track, should I say, because I still have some things that I'm working on getting healthy, but overall how it looks, I'm really satisfied and happy with how it looks. It's really full still as far as my ends go and how my hair has been doing. I've been doing a lot of protective styles, and I do not put heat on my hair, like very minimal heat, because my hair isn't exactly where I want it to be just yet, but I'm getting real close. Like, my hair is looking real good to me, at least. So only thing for me that I noticed, because I've been on a hair journey before, and one of the things that tends to take the longest to recover is the front sides. So the front sides of my hair is thinner than the back of my hair. The back of my hair is a lot fuller, and I feel like it's a lot healthier than the front of my hair. And I will say that it tends to take longer for that area to kind of like catch up with the fullness of the back area. And on this side here, I do have a bit of under processed areas. And that was like a big concern of mine right now, because I do have a line of demarcation that's pretty high up. And I feel like if I didn't have the kind of regimen that I have, my hair would have been broke off, girl. Like, ooh. So it's just the front area that still has plenty of texture, and then this part of my hair is processed a bit straighter than it is on this bottom half. I haven't made up my mind exactly what I want to do to try to correct that, or even if I want to correct it or just let it grow out. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you have experienced this and what you did to correct it, or if you just let it grow out. Me personally, I was thinking about leaving it alone and let it grow out, because trying to put a corrective relaxer on the front half of my hair and it go wrong, I would be very upset. So I was just like, let me leave it alone and leave it how it is right now. But overall, I'm really excited with how my hair looks, especially how it looks flat iron. That's how I know I'm doing something right. Okay, so yeah, y'all, my hair is doing really well. Like, I have not gotten my hair trimmed since June, and this is how my hair is looking, really nice and full. And I'm actually loving the lob. So the decision now is to figure out, do I want to get one more cut with mica before I start to let it grow out, because that is definitely the goal. But the goal first was to get my hair healthy. I wanted it to be healthy over having long hair, because what's the point of having long hair and it don't look good because it's not healthy? So I feel like I wanted to master the health, master my regimen, figure out what's working well for me, and then move forward with growing it out. So once you figure out what you're doing, then grow it out. That's what I'm on right now. So yeah, this is the side. I'm gonna show you the side and the back, and we're gonna go ahead and head on out. So as you can see, the front is just a little thinner. It's a little thinner than the back. And like when I go out, when I wear my hair out, if it's a night out, I'll just put like one clip in on each side just so it can match the fullness of, this area. But it's okay. It still looks really, really good. And this is the back. And I did wash and condition my hair. I use Olaplex, and the body and movement that my hair has is like amazing. And I know because my hair is getting healthy, so the body is like, yes, the movement, stiff wear, stiff wear. So yeah, y'all, that is about it for this relax update. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comment area below. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I let it grow out, or should I cut it one more time before I grow it out? But I have really been enjoying the bob. I couldn't be happier with my decision of cutting my hair, because sometimes you just need to cut the hair and just let it grow out, and it'll flourish. Don't be afraid of some scissors, y'all, because me back in the day, I was that girl that was afraid of scissors, and I needed to get my trims. And getting regular trims just allows you to retain way more length in the long run, okay? So as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.